Is affordable housing in Hawaii officially extinct? You are going to hear a lot of people say that every day, that there's not enough affordable housing. Being that I am in the real estate industry and I get to kind of see the back end of what the affordable housing requirements are, I don't know that I even want you in affordable housing, to be honest. You know, just because it's labeled as affordable housing, it doesn't mean it's cheap. It's still pricey. What people may not know about affordable housing is that it comes with more restrictions. So you may need to stay in it for 5 years, for 10 years before you're able to rent it out, before you're able to resell it on the market, unless you offer it to the developer first. You may outgrow it before then and you're kind of just stuck. Or you may have shared equity in your affordable housing. Affordable housing is amazing and it's great and it works for some people and it is the best option for some people. But it's not the only option, and I don't want people to think that just because there aren't more affordable housing developments out there, because there aren't that many, and I agree, there aren't enough. When you say, is it officially extinct? I hear you. But I would rather get you to a place where a resale or maybe even a new construction in Eva Beach or something that isn't beholden to affordable housing limitations is on your radar and something that you can consider. Because a lot of times the price points aren't that different. So instead of maybe getting that 3-bedroom affordable housing unit, maybe we're gonna start this year with a 2-bedroom and it be, you know, same price, maybe a little bit cheaper than that 3-bedroom. And maybe it's a little bit tight, but in 3 years, maybe we upgrade because now we have some equity in that home that's not affordable housing. Whereas if you bought that 3-bedroom in affordable housing, say something changes and you need something bigger later, or say, you know, Tutu or somebody needs you to be closer to them, you're kind of stuck there. You know, you kind of have to follow the guidelines of whatever the contract is that you signed when you got the affordable housing in the first place. Is it officially extinct? No, there's still some out there, but I would really like to see if we can learn more about how we can get into something that, if it's an option for us to not be in that and to get something else. We've got a questionnaire for you in the description below. Let us know what your questions are. Somebody, Aiden, myself, Kenny, Derek, somebody from Core Team Hawaii is going to get on and answer these questions. We'll make this a series. You can ask up to 1 question a day. Our team will put our heads together to get that question answered. But if you're like, hey, 1 question is not going to cut it, you can't put a 1 question on a day quota on me, go to the website, fill out the contact form. That's when we can get one-on-one with you, get a little bit more explicit and nuanced with your questions that you may have. But if you're ready to participate in these 1 questions a day, description box below.